Clean your arteries naturally. Garlic, lemon, and turmeric heart remedy. Did you know that clogged arteries are one of the leading causes of heart attacks and strokes? The good news is there's a powerful natural remedy that can help cleanse your arteries, improve blood flow, and protect your heart. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to prepare it, how to consume it safely, and why it works. Stick around, you won't want to miss this life-saving information. Before we get into the ingredients, let's first understand why heart health matters so much. Why heart health matters. Heart attacks and strokes are rising, largely due to inflammation in the arteries, high levels of bad cholesterol, and high blood pressure to protect your heart. We must address these underlying factors. This natural remedy works on all these causes, helping to improve blood flow, reduce plaque, and support arterial health. Now that we know the problem, let's begin with our first powerful ingredient. Ingredient 1. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful ally for your heart. It contains allicin, a compound that lowers bad cholesterol, improves blood sugar, and boosts nitric oxide production in your arteries. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, improves blood flow, and lowers blood pressure together. These effects help prevent plaque buildup and reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. And alongside garlic, another simple fruit makes a huge difference. Lemon. Ingredient to lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that prevent LDL cholesterol from oxidizing. Oxidized cholesterol contributes to plaque buildup in arteries. Lemon also reduces arterial stiffness, improving blood flow and supporting overall heart health. And to complete this powerful trio, we add turmeric. Ingredient 3. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and lipid-lowering properties. Curcumin improves circulation, reduces clot formation, and lowers arterial inflammation by inhibiting an F-kappa. It also helps lower bad cholesterol. Combined with garlic and lemon, turmeric helps protect arteries and support heart health. Now that we've covered the ingredients, let's put them together into a simple heart tonic. How to prepare the heart tonic. For this remedy, you'll need 5 fresh garlic cloves, 2 large organic lemons, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1 liter of water. Boil the water. Add the garlic cloves and sliced lemons with the peel. Lower the heat and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After simmering, turn off the heat, let it cool, and strain into a jar. Now that your tonic is ready, let's see how and when to take it for maximum benefits. How and when to consume. Drink half a cup of this mixture on an empty stomach in the morning and another half cup in the evening before dinner. Consuming it twice daily allows the ingredients to continuously support your arteries, lower cholesterol, improve blood flow, and reduce inflammation. If you are on blood pressure or blood thinning medications, consult your doctor before consuming this tonic, as adjustments may be needed. So why does the simple mix of garlic, lemon, and turmeric work so well together? Why this remedy works. This tonic combines garlic, lemon, and turmeric, targeting the main factors that clog arteries, bad cholesterol, oxidative stress, inflammation, and poor blood flow together. They work synergistically to cleanse arteries, protect your heart, and reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Of course, even the best remedy works best when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Lifestyle matters too. Remember, no remedy works alone. Pair this tonic with a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, and avoiding smoking. These habits amplify the benefits of nutrients, keep your arteries flexible, and support lasting heart health. And finally, let's wrap this up with a reminder of what this remedy can do for you. By combining garlic, lemon, and turmeric, this natural tonic supports your arteries, reduces inflammation, and improves circulation. Share this video with someone you care about, and together, take steps toward a healthier heart. Thanks for watching, and take care.